Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a powerful function called aggregate in Excel. This function allows us to perform calculations on a range of data while ignoring any errors or hidden values. If you're as excited as we are about this function, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get started. For example, I want to calculate the total of this column, but there is an error here. So how can I calculate but ignoring the error? So first of all, let's use the sum function. In initial, type equal, type sum. For number, select all the column or the range, then close parenthesis, enter. As you can see, I have an error. So now let's use and let's discover the magic of aggregate function. On initial, type equal aggregate. So here I have more options. I want to choose sum, or double click here, or just type number 9, comma. So here there is more options. Ignore hidden rows, ignore error values. So we're looking for ignore error values. So I will type 6 or just double click here, then comma. Choose the array that you want to calculate, then close parenthesis, enter. As you can see, there is a difference between sum and aggregate. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Until next time, keep master in Excel, and we'll see you in the next video.